Dear friends, welcome to the mass cooking world. So today, let's see how to make coleslaw. Coleslaw is basically a cabbage salad. It's a simple salad. So let's get started. First of all, let's cut the ends of carrot. After that, I'm cutting it into half. As you can see, my carrot is a bit too long. Now, let's trim its edges. Just trim a small part of the edges because we don't need much wastage. Now it's looking like a keyboard. Now it's time to slice it. Yes, it's done. We have to cut this into julienne. For that, place the slices vertically and start cutting it into thin stripes, similar to the size of a matchstick. Now hold the pieces together and cut it into three parts. I'm doing this to make it more comfortable while consuming. Now let's begin with cabbage. I'm taking a small portion of cabbage. Now start cutting it into thin strips, and this type of cut is known as shredding. I'm doing the same thing with the shredded cabbage too. Now for the dressing, let's add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then give it a quick mix. Next goes in half a cup of carrot and 1 cup of cabbage. Let's add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Here I am using freshly prepared homemade mayonnaise. Combine everything very well. Here are some points to be taken care while preparing salads. Always prepare the salads fresh, which means just before serving. And also add salt at last, or else the water will ooze out from the vegetables, making our salad soggy. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell button too. Thank you for watching.